Hey, what's up video guys, this is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the breakdown of NAS100 trade that happened this morning, May 2nd, during New York session. And also, I want to show you the results of Gold EA Incubator on 2 accounts. We added one more account in April 25th. And also, we are going to add a $5,000 account, which is going to be our 3rd account very soon. So let's start with that $1,000 account that we installed in March 7th. All the way to May 2nd, which is almost 107% in profit on a $1,000 account, which is $1,033 in profit. We also had a $100 withdrawal, so just to have some profits, and we are going to have another withdrawal as well soon. And this is my VPS account. Everything is live, as you can see the live here, and also this is the account history, and these are all the trades that it took during London session since May 1st. But May 2nd is Monday, so this is the first day. It started at $58 in profit so far. And this is the second account, which is $2,000, and it's real. And we started April 25th, and it was off for 2 days, so we are up 3.44% in profit, which is $68 on a $2,000 account on medium risk. And as I said, we are going to start a $5,000 account very soon. So if you want to grab your license, you know what to do. The link is in my description, and then we'll manually activate your account. So NAS100 guys, as you can see, this is when I check the market at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, which in my time is 7:30. And also we had a very important news at 8 o'clock, which was 8 in my time, which is 10 Eastern Standard Time. So in literally 30 minutes, we had a very important news. And also at 9:30, New York Stock Market Exchange opens. So it means that right now it's very dangerous to trade NAS100. So but what I realized on a 5-minute time frame, as you know I'm a scalper, I noticed that we have a high probability demand zone from here to here, just because this is the last bearish candle, and then we had a huge spike towards upside, and the next candle never tapped this zone. So there's a gap between this candle and this zone right here, so that's why this is a high probability order block. So and as you can see, it actually tapped our zone, but it literally disrespected the zone immediately right after that, because this is 9:35. It just, as I said, the market just opened, and it was really dangerous to trade, and it grabbed all the liquidity here. So it grabbed the liquidity here because the buyers put their stop loss here, and they grabbed the liquidity here, and then after that it probably decided to go up, because when it actually grabs the liquidity, it immediately goes up to grab the liquidity here as well. So we have stop losses for sellers here, and we have so many stop losses around this area for buyers. So first it stopped out all the buyers, and then it bounced back to stop out all the sellers. So right here we have another high probability demand zone, because of this huge spike that happened after this candle. It left a gap, and this candle never tapped into this zone. So again, another high probability order block, guys. As you can see, I'm using a pure price action only based on high probability supply and demand zones. No Fibonacci, no indicator, nothing, just pure price action. So this candle never tapped into this zone, and we are just waiting for the next candles to tap into this level, and then we'll see what happens after that. So what it means is that, so this candle is the first candle that tapped our level, our zone, sorry. And then right now we gotta be super sharp. So the best case scenario is that put your buy stop, because you know that you have a gap. This is a high probability demand zone, and we have a huge spike. We have a break of a structure. The trend is going toward upward. So we have an uptrend, and then this candle literally tapped our zone. So we can put our buy stop right here and put our stop loss below the candle, not below the zone. I mean, the correct way is to put it below the zone, but since it's a very wide zone, we are not going to risk that much. And then I can actually put my TP right here, which is the one-to-one trade. So this one literally tapped. See, this is where it executed, and then the stop loss is right here, and the TP is here. And then if I want to hold my trade, it's going to smash TP. How easy was that, guys? You tell me. Drop your comment here. Tell me what you think about this strategy that's only using pure price action and nothing else. So that's what it is, guys. Super easy. You just need to identify high probability supply and demand zones, and then you need to wait for confirmation. You need to wait for the candle to tap your level. You can use your alarm setting and then you can just put a horizontal line here. This is what I personally do. I just put a horizontal line here, and then I turn on my alarm here. So since this is on a replay, it's not allowing me to set my alarm, and I just sit back, relax until the price tap my zone, and then I wait for a better confirmation. And I usually take a break of structure. So it means that when this candle tap, I put my buy stop above the previous candle, which is this one, or I wait for the next candle close. So in this case, if I wanted to wait, I would have take my like buy position here, put my stop loss here and my TP here, and it would have been a 1 to almost 2 risk to reward ratio trade, which was absolutely crazy, guys. And as you can see, this is what the trade was, and just kept going down. There's another high probability order block from here to here, because you got to take the last 2 candles for bearish, and then you see that huge spike. This candle never tapped. There's a high probability order block here, and then we'll wait. You'll see that it actually tapped your zone. Now you can wait for more confirmations. So in this case, some people do that. They take their buy position here, they put their stop loss here, and their TP here is exactly a 1-to-1 trade. But what might happen is this one. See, the next candle stopped me out, and the reason is that I didn't put my stop loss below the zone, and I wouldn't do that. I just don't take the trade because it's super wide. Look at this, guys. We have our zone from here all the way to here. So if you want to put your stop loss below the zone, it would have been like almost 100 pips, which is a lot, and you got to take your TP right here to just take a 1-to-1 trade, but you don't want that. And since it's actually taken one of the high probability demand zones here, there is less likely that we have another setup that is going to respect it. And as you can see, it just kept going down, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, see, for example, if I want to do it again in front of you, you'll see that if I wanted to take my trade here, I gotta put my stop loss here and my TP here, which never taps, and I get stopped out again. So that's why I'm saying this is something you need to be careful about. And if you want to take your, and if you get stopped out here, if you put it below the candle, there's no problem, and you can just literally take it again from here to here, and then you can take your 1-to-1 here. So when you take your buy position here after seeing this candle, you can put your stop loss below the zone, and then your TP here, it would be a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade. Sometimes you get stopped out and you can re-enter if it gives you a better confirmation, like this one here, because see that we get stopped out here, and then after that we get a doji candle, 2 green candles back to back, and then you can take your buy position here, your stop loss here, then below the zone, and then you can take your 1-to-1 position. So that's it, guys, for this trade. For Monday's trade, we didn't have any other high probability setup for the other pairs. That was the only one that I could show you. But if you have any question, you know what to do. Drop your comment below this video. I personally get back to you. And regarding Gold EA Incubator, guys, and if you're interested in trading completely hands-free, we are currently running a promotion for 10% off, so you can literally grab your license and use that 10% promo code that you can find on our website, and then you can apply it when you're checking it out. So thanks for watching this video again, and see you again.